Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph 林。暑假好热，对不对？
吃冰啊！
所以我们今天教大家呢有关冰这个字的一些词汇，好不好？
好。
Let's teach people terms associated with ice, something cold, because it's summertime and we need to chill out. The first thing that comes to my mind is 夏天的时候常常都会打开冰箱。
对，回到家第一件事开冰箱。
In Chinese, the term refrigerator literally means an ice box. So 冰箱。
冰箱。
冰箱 that means a refrigerator. 那冰箱里有什么吃的呢？
冰箱肚。
冰箱肚。
有乜嘅好食嘅冇？
有乜嘅好食嘅冇？ That means, is there anything good in the refrigerator that I can have and eat?
那冰箱的海陆腔。冰箱。
冰箱啊，听起来好像骂人了这样子。
没有啦。
冰箱 that's a different dialect for refrigerator. Oh, you know what? When I go to the refrigerator, I want to open up the freezer and get some ice cream. 其实尤其夏天，冰淇淋是最好吃的。
对，那就冰淇淋。
哦，冰淇淋 Okay, that means ice cream. 冰淇淋。夏天吃冰淇淋觉得特别好吃。
热天吃冰淇淋。
热天吃冰淇淋。
吃到特别好吃。
吃到特别好吃 Okay, that means during summertime, having an ice cream is so cool. All right, here in Taiwan, what's really popular are these beverage stores. 其实在台湾呢，很多这个所谓的冰饮店、饮料店，对不对？
对。
那常常呢，我们可能会说要少冰啊，或去冰啊。有些时候感冒，所以不能喝冰的，对不对？
对。
Okay, so when you go to these beverage shops, a lot of times people will ask for with little ice or no ice at all. So with little ice,
少冰。
少冰 Okay, that's 少冰 or no ice at all. That's 去冰。
冇愛冰。
冇愛冰 Okay, that means no ice. I don't want it iced. 我的饮料要去冰 I want no ice with my beverage.
我嘅飲料。
我嘅飲料
冇愛冰。
冇愛冰 That means I want it without ice. All right? Okay, let's review these terms. Again, all associated with the term ice, 冰箱, an icebox or a refrigerator.
冰箱。
冰箱. And then ice cream, 冰淇淋.
冰淇淋。
冰淇淋. And then with little ice, 少冰.
少冰。
少冰 or no ice, 去冰.
冇愛冰.
Hey, 冇愛冰. So there you go. Have a cool summer, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張婉了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.